For and in Nepali it's र. र. You stay at home or go to school. In Nepali it's तिमी वा घरमा बस्छ वा विद्यालय जाऊ. So in Nepali it's त्यसैले. Hello and namaste. It's me Bimala Shrestha. Today we will learn about conjunctions in Nepali. Conjunctions are words that are used to connect phrases, clauses, or words in a sentence. It helps to link elements in a sentence, showing how they are related. It helps make sentences smoother and clearer by linking related ideas. Now, let us learn some more with some examples. For conjunction, in Nepali it's संयोजक. संयोजक. And for conjunctions like but, in Nepali it's तर. तर. For example, I want to go outside, but I don't have time. In Nepali it's म बाहिर जान चाहन्छु तर मसँग समय छैन. म बाहिर जान चाहन्छु तर मसँग समय छैन. Here, for outside, in Nepali it's बाहिर. बाहिर. And for but, it's तर. तर. And for time, it's समय. समय. Similarly, I want to go to the park, but it's raining. In Nepali it's म पार्क जान चाहन्छु तर पानी परिरहेको छ. म पार्क जान चाहन्छु तर पानी परिरहेको छ. And for and in Nepali it's र. र. For example, I read a book and listen to a song. In Nepali it's म किताब पढ्छु र गीत सुन्छु. म किताब पढ्छु र गीत सुन्छु. Here, for book, in Nepali it's किताब. किताब. And to listen, in Nepali it's सुन्नु. सुन्नु. And for song, in Nepali it's गीत. गीत. And similarly, he cooked and cleaned the house. In Nepali it's उसले खाना बनायो र घर सफा गर्यो. उसले खाना बनायो र घर सफा गर्यो. Here, for house, it's घर. घर. And to cook food, it's खाना बनाउनु. खाना बनाउनु. And for and, it's र. र. And next one we have because. In Nepali it's किन भने. किन भने. For example, I didn't go because I was sick. In Nepali it's म गइन किनभने म बिरामी थिएँ. म गइन किनभने म बिरामी थिएँ. Here, for sick, in Nepali it's बिरामी. बिरामी. And for I was late because my bus was missed. In Nepali it's म ढिलो भएँ किनभने मेरो बस छुटेको थियो. म ढिलो भएँ किनभने मेरो बस छुटेको थियो. Here, for late, in Nepali it's ढिलो. ढिलो. And for bus, it's bus in Nepali as well. And to miss, in Nepali it's छुट्नु. छुट्नु. And next one we have either or. In Nepali it's वा. वा. For example, you stay at home or go to school. In Nepali it's तिमी वा घरमा बस्छ वा विद्यालय जाऊ. तिमी वा घरमा बस्छ वा विद्यालय जाऊ. Here, for home or house, in Nepali it's घर. घर. And for school, in Nepali it's विद्यालय. विद्यालय. And to go, जाऊ. जाऊ. And to stay in Nepali, it's basa. Basa. And we also use ki, ya for either or. For example, you either study or play. In Nepali, it's timi ki padha ki khela. Timi ki padha ki khela. Here, to play in Nepali, it's khela. Khela. And to study in Nepali, it's padha. Padha. And next we have if. In Nepali, it's edi. Edi. For example, if you try, you will succeed. In Nepali, it's यदि तिमीले प्रयास गर्यौ भने तिमी सफल हुनेछौ. यदि तिमीले प्रयास गर्यौ भने तिमी सफल हुनेछौ. Here, to try in Nepali, it's prayas. Prayas. And for succeed, for success in Nepali, it's safal. Safal. And for if it rains tomorrow, we will stay inside. In Nepali, it's यदि भोलि पानी पर्यो भने हामी भित्रै बस्नेछौँ. यदि भोलि पानी पर्यो भने हामी भित्रै बस्नेछौँ. Here, for inside in Nepali, it's भित्र. भित्र. And for tomorrow in Nepali, it's भोलि. Bholi. And next we have so. In Nepali, it's त्यसैले. त्यसैले. For example, I was tired, so I will rest. In Nepali, it's म थकित छु, त्यसैले म आराम गर्नेछु. म थकित छु, त्यसैले म आराम गर्नेछु. And for it was raining, so we stayed inside. In Nepali, it's पानी परिरहेको थियो, त्यसैले हामी भित्रै बस्यौं. पानी परिरहेको थियो, त्यसैले हामी भित्रै बस्यौं. And next we have since. In Nepali, it's देखि. देखि. For example, I have been working since morning. In Nepali, it's म बिहानदेखि काम गर्दैछु. म बिहानदेखि काम गर्दैछु. Here, for morning in Nepali, it's bihana. Bihana. And for work in Nepali, it's काम. काम. And for he hasn't called since last week. In Nepali, it's उसले गएको हप्तादेखि फोन गरेको छैन. उसले गएको हप्तादेखि फोन गरेको छैन. Here, for last week in Nepali, it's गएको हप्ता. गएको हप्ता. That's it for today. I hope you have found today's video helpful to you, and if you want to learn some more, you can also visit our website, and I believe after watching this video, you will be able to make your sentence more smooth and clear while having conversation with Nepalese people. And if you have found today's video helpful to you, then you can like and share the video, and if you have any questions or confusions, then you can comment below. And if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then you can subscribe it to learn more Nepali with us. Thank you.